Dr. YunIlSun, the first pathologist in Korea, played a leading role in the birth of the Korean medical community during the Japanese colonial era. After graduating from medical school of Kyoto Imperial University and returning to Korea, he became the first Korean assistant professor in the Department of Pathology at Keijo Imperial University. He became the sixth Korean who obtained a medical doctorate through research on various diseases, including cancer. After relocating to Severance Medical School, Dr. Yoon devoted himself to mentoring and teaching students and made the first Korean medical doctors guided by him. He founded Joseon Medical Association and served as editor-in-chief for Joseon Medical Journal, the first medical journal in Korean, playing a significant role in shaping the framework of the medical field in Korea. Dr. YunIlSun is a figure in the medical field who holds many first titles. He made history as the first Korean to publish a research paper titled Statistical Study of Korean Tumors in the American Academic Journal Cancer Research. It was a remarkable achievement of registering Korean academic work in the international literature for the first time after liberation. He served as a professor of pathology and later as the president of Seoul National University College of Medicine when it was founded. He founded the Korean Society of Pathologists, serving as its inaugural president, and also held the position of president at the Korean Medical Association. After being elected as the president of the Korean Academy of Sciences, he founded the Korean Cancer Study Group and assumed the role of its president, paving the way for comprehensive cancer research in Korea. In 1937, Dr. Yoon embarked on a 6-month research trip to Europe and North America to observe and study the medical field. During his visit to San Francisco, he also visited the Lawrence Laboratory, a physics research facility. He had the opportunity to see the actual cyclotron, a neutron accelerator device developed by Ernest Lawrence, who specialized in electrical engineering, and his brother John Lawrence, who specialized in medicine. Dr. YunIlSun's foresight that the cyclotron would contribute to advances in medicine was proven right after 50 years when South Korea introduced a neutron therapy device from Sweden to treat cancer for the first time in Korea Cancer Center Hospital in 1986. The individual who played a leading role in the introduction of the cyclotron was Dr. Yoon Tae-gu, who served as the director of the Korea Cancer Center Hospital at the time, and he was the son of Dr. YunIlSun. Dr. YunIlSun is the only person in South Korea known to have met Dr. Albert Einstein. Let's take a look at Dr. Yoon's reflections in a popular daily newspaper at the time. This was when I was the dean of the graduate school at Seoul National University. At the time, I was funded by the Rockefeller Foundation to visit to the prestigious universities in the U.S. In 1948, while attending lectures and seminars at Princeton University, Dr. Einstein was the director of the Institute of Physics, and there was Dr. Oppenheimer too. I visited their theoretical physics laboratories, discussed their scientific views, and learned a lot from them. In recognition of his contribution to the establishment of basic medicine in Korea, Dr. Yoon was included in the Hall of Fame for Science and Technology in 2011. Recently, with increasing interest in medical scientists, there have been varying opinions on who the first medical scientist in South Korea was. Considering Dr. YunIlSun for this title could be a worthy choice. Today, in our Institute's cyclotron facility, the production of radioactive isotopes for the treatment of cancer patients is in full swing. Those who follow his footsteps at the Kirams remember Dr. YunIlSun as a person who serves as the 5th director of Nuclear Ministry, which is the higher institution of Radiological Research Institute, as a father of Dr. Yoon Tae-gu, who was the 5th president of Kirams, and the visionary who recognized the utility of the cyclotron early on.